This is a piano tutorial for Someone You Loved, transposed to the key of C for easy playing. Here's middle C. We'll be playing the song in the key of C. Let's start with the intro. Starting with the right hand, we will play the E and G notes, played 4 times for the C major chord. For G major chord, we will play the notes B and D 4 times. For the A minor chord, we will play C and E 4 times. And for the F major chord, we will play A and C 3 times, followed by G and C. Let's try that again. C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Now for our left hand, we will be playing our root notes. C, G, A, and F. Let's play both hands together. C major, G major, A minor, and F major. We'll call this chord pattern number 1, and it is played only once in the intro. For our first verse, we will be playing pattern number 1, except we will be playing 1 octave lower. Sometimes when F major is played in pattern number 1, A and C are played 4 times instead. Pattern number 1 is played 4 times for verse 1 and 2, and twice for chorus 1 and 2. This brings us to the bridge. We have D minor, which we will play F and A 4 times, A minor, where we play C and E 4 times, G major with B and D 6 times, followed by A minor, C and E 2 times. Let's try that again. D minor, A minor, G major, A minor, D minor again, A minor, G major, and we end with a G. Now for our left hand, we will be playing our root notes. We start with D, A, G, A, D, A, and G. Let's try both hands together. D minor, A minor, G major, A minor, D minor, A minor, G major. We'll call this pattern number 2, and it is played for the bridge. This brings us to our last course, where we would play pattern number 1, 1 octave higher with solid chords instead of broken chords. And this is done twice. Next, we will play pattern number 1 twice again, this time 1 octave lower. And on the left hand, to add in the depth, we will use octaves for our bass. Finally, we will play pattern number 1 again once, this time with solid chords, and end on C major